Hello everyone, what is up? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about XRP again because I'm like really invested into XRP and I'm going to show you guys why, and we're going to see what's going to be happening with XRP in the next couple days, weeks, and forward. So as we can see from here, XRP 29 cents, we went all the way up to 32 cents, back down to 29 for consolidation. We're on the weekly. Let's go to the daily right here. As we can see, really support is like 28 cents. So that's really what's happening with XRP as of now. If we go on some tweets which I found out and looked at, this is a funny tweet I found from Cody is Fun, and as you guys can see, this guy put a spoon and he just made a a heart. So that's pretty cool. Good morning, Bitcoiners. Another tweet I found was from Mr. Level Up again, and this time 3 rising valleys. You'll hear me talk about this from now on more than the gooseneck. So as we can see, I'll let you guys watch this video.
So just a little educational video. So moving forward, you're going to hear me make the comment of 3 rising valleys. You're going to have me say that a lot, probably. Hear me say that a lot. So this is where we're working on here for where we're at today. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3. There's my 3 rising valleys. And I can just zoom up here and you can see it does it here again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it looks like usually the first initial is one of the biggest. And then we try to read the 3 rising valleys. So as we come over here today, and you'll see that in a lot of areas, and it's not something I made up. I've seen some guys on Twitter and stuff, make jokes about it and stuff. But here, I'll show you. Where is it at? There it is, right there. Okay, 3 rising valleys. All right, so it's just something I've taught myself just doing research and stuff. So that's what we're kind of looking at here, and that's what I'm trying to gauge. I originally thought maybe this might be one of the valleys, but this might be it. So it might be 1, 2. We might go up, pull over, and then maybe create a 3. It could be going, up this area here. So, but I don't really know. I'm not good with targets, but I am good. I'm understanding patterns and stuff and trying to read the patterns. So this is what I'm looking at. I just wanted to share that with you.
Okay, as you can see from this video right here, that literally patterns in every market, patterns, like history repeats itself. So if you guys can figure out the patterns from back then, it might happen again, most likely, because of support and resistance and all that stuff. That's one tweet I found out, and I'll leave all these tweets so you guys can follow them and check out the tweets if you guys want in the description. Another tweet I found out, again, Mr. Level Up. Alright, so this is the latest first tracking. Here's my MO on what I see. All looks good either way. Now this is a descending triangle, as we can see. Level full support on the line, and then it makes lower highs. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Now let's let him explain in more detail.
Alright, I think it's time for an update. Let's see what's going on here. I'm just going to go ahead and look over here on the left here, which is our mini. I do have the RSI here too. I wanted to show you guys something. As you can see, I got some triangles here. I don't really do these too much, but I wanted to do it for this scenario. And you can see in the triangle, let me get my cursor off here actually. Slide this up. Probably use my finger here. So you can see in the it would be like a descending triangle in a way. You can see it broke out. You can see it's getting here, and I can see it's breaking out. If you go up here and look, we have it that it climbed up on the mini and then it came down. It had like a little W and then it climbed up again, right? So if you look at where we're at on this big one, we climbed up, we went down and created like a W, and then we climbed up again. So this point, to me, it matches that point definitely. So it comes down, and then there's like a little green up there. We come down, and then there's a little green up there, right? So then we slide down more, and then more, and then there's almost like it's creating that little W again when it breaks out, because you can see it breaks out right here. Breaks out right there, and we're getting to that point. So I'm almost like, all right, well, if it's come down here more, and I could see it creating that like W right here, is it going to break out above like this, above this triangle? I'm probably now leaning towards that. I don't want to say now because it already has done enough of a retrace and stuff, and I'm just comparing it to this, everything. So we got our climb, we got a retrace, and it looks like it's finishing up. So I'm personally right now, this is where I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're gonna climb out of this. I mean, if it goes down again, because that's what I was looking for. I was looking for another down, just to kind of make it give a more of a look that it went down. But right now, I'm almost like, all right, man, it's probably just, you know, wanting to hold here, and it's once again, it's created the pattern.
Okay, I'm gonna stop him right there. So as we can see from here, okay, we have support on this line. If it does go down, it should bounce because of the support. That's the thing. If it confirms support on this line, and you can either buy when it breaks this triangle for more secure, safe measures, or you could buy when it bounces a little bit off for more profit. So let's get back to what he says.
It's created the pattern either way. It can come down now a little bit like this and do it here and go up, or it can do it right here and the pattern will still be the same, if you guys understand what I mean. Anyways, just gonna kick this out to you guys. All right, see ya.
Okay, so hopefully that explained some of his you know, what he was talking about.
All right,
and yeah, so I found another tweet from Cryptomaniac. Decided to take a look at fractals. Left side represents XRP pre 2017 bull run, after which it bought us more than 80,000 percent profit. And on the right side we have chart from today. Nothing special here, but I do see some similarities. Now 2017 February and today, as you can see, 80,000% rise up. This is obviously questioned because we don't know when it's gonna stop. We see here it literally looks the same. We went up, came back down, and then went up, came back down, consolidates. Now this part consolidates, so maybe we could see a little bit consolidation here. From on Twitter, from most people I see, they're saying either this weekend or the upcoming week we're gonna see a huge bounce off. As we can see, consolidation, bounce. That does look promising. So that's a quick video, and I'm sorry guys, I'm doing lots of XRP charts because I see a huge bounce coming in the upcoming days or weeks. And yeah, it's really simple, people. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Have a good one, guys.